Hillary, why did you select Idaho State University's Spanish MA program to complete your degree?
Well, I first heard about the program actually in a teachers group on Facebook. And it was marketed kind of informally by some of the teachers there as a high quality program that actually was challenging and that wouldn't necessarily break our budget or be such a time crunch for those of us who needed to maintain our regular employment, so those once I went to the website and actually looked into the program, it just checked a whole lot of boxes for those of us like me who I knew were busy in our professional lives but also wanted the opportunity to advance our education. But yeah, so those were kind of the initial reasons.
Very good. Thank you.
Mhm.
And what was your most rewarding experience, or if you could pick one very rewarding experience while enrolled in the MA program, what was it?
I think it's honestly really hard to pin down one particular rewarding experience. I can maybe narrow it down to my top three.
Mhm.
Number one being really just the creativity embedded in a lot of our assignments, the material that we were asked to read, and the type of interactions that we were expected to do with the material. I found like really it had evolved from my first master's degree in the early 2000s, just the opportunity to interact with a high level text by creating a podcast or working with others, like that was really nice. And we obviously inadvertently developed like a really nice sense of community with other students even at a distance. I think number 2 would be, our Conexión is the conference, that we have been working on, now in its second iteration. The fact that too, that just because I graduated doesn't mean the work has to end, and the willingness of the professors to keep us involved in ongoing projects is very, very nice. I think oftentimes universities just allow students to graduate and then let them go. And so the cultivation of our learning that has not ended, upon graduation is really nice. And then I think third would definitely be the Pamela conference, the opportunity to work in tandem with a professor of, Villalobos Grale's caliber as an equal. I had never had that experience before and never anticipated having that experience out of this program. So just being able to walk hand in hand with somebody metaphorically to understand the process of publishing and presenting has been a really wonderful experience for me. Mhm.
That's awesome. If you have any questions or would like to schedule an individual Zoom appointment with myself, the program director, or our coordinator, please reach out to us. Our email is spanishma@isu.edu. Adios.